I made an aeroplane. When it's ready, it's ready, I can play. Oh, dreidel, I made an aeroplane. When it's ready, I can play. Oh, dreidel, I made an aeroplane. When it's ready, I can play. Oh, dreidel, I made an aeroplane. When it's ready, I can play. I'm tired.
Okay. You want Daddy to help? You want to sing Doctor with me?
Doctor, doctor.
Brother bought a coconut, bought it for a dime. His sister had another one, and she paid it for the lime. Put the lime in the coconut, drink 'em all up. Put the lime in the coconut, drink 'em all up. Drink the lime in the coconut, drink 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, then you feed. Oh, call the doctor, woke him up and said,
Doctor!
ain't there nothing I could take, as she said.
Doctor!
To relieve the bellyache, as she said.
Doctor!
Ain't there nothing I can take, as she said.
Doctor!
To relieve my bellyache, and let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut, drink 'em both together.
Hey, how would you do?
No, that's okay, sweetie. You want to do Doctor again? Or do you want to sing ABC?
A, B,
A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Z, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Very good.
How about you?
How you?
How about you?
How you?
How about you?
How a whole?
You look good.
But you are pretty.
You're very pretty.
But I know you're pretty.
Can you say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa?
I love you, Grandpa.
And Grandma?
I love you, Grandma.
And Grandpa? Say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Say I love Star Trek.
I love
I love Star Trek.
How about ice cream? Are you ready for the ice cream we made? You want to have a little?
Say I
have an idea.
I eat pizza without mushrooms. Yeah.
You want to sing?
I like pizza.
You want
Woohoo!
I like
pizza ice cream?
Pizza ice
That's
cream?
funny.
Man,
Hey, do you want to sing Happy Birthday and then we'll have ice cream?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Party.
Okay, now you ready for some ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you.